I love starting the process, the drawing, the illustration, choosing the fabric, the color. When it comes about putting everything together, that's like my favorite part. I'm Gabby Rosas, a student of Apparel Technologies program. Hongman and I met the first day. We support each other. Through the 2-year program, we have been really close. I would describe the program as a really joyful routine. We are experiencing what the real tools are. So that gives us the confidence to move forward into a career. The instructors taught us all the foundational skills. Presenting the first line at the fashion show was really awesome. Whatever inspires me, I want to showcase that to the public.
My name is Laura Falk. I earned my associate's degree in applied science in the Apparel Design and Services program. Since graduating, I've been able to work for several small businesses and even have the opportunity to work on my own collection. So I currently work for a Minneapolis-based children's wear company called Oh Baby. We sell to boutiques all over the globe. Literally every major job I've had has had an MCTC connection.